welcome back to another video. On today's video, I am going to be doing a quick unboxing with you guys on one of my favorite things to unbox of all time. This is socks. I know that doesn't sound like a lot of fun, but every year I do an advent calendar of socks. Now it only comes with 6 pairs, which I'm a little bummed about. Normally it's a bigger set. If you watched my first day of Vlogmas last year, you saw me unbox some socks, and I think there was 12 or 24. There might have been 24 in that one, I can't remember. But normally it's 12 to 24 days, usually counting down until Christmas Day. Now, I also have a few other advent calendars that I will be unboxing with you guys. Comment down below if you guys want any of those to be like an ASMR unboxing. I would love to do that for you. As always, before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the Goddess family, and let's hop right into it. Okay, so this retailed for $12, which is pretty standard on the Target advent calendars. Now, I could have done research and probably found different ones online, but I'm the type of person that, like, when I'm at the store, I'm like, oh yeah, I needed a calendar. So that's what happened. I remember when I was a kid, my mom used to have us do advent calendars, but they were like the chocolate ones. Do you guys remember those? They still have them, but now they have like a lot of fun, cool ones. I'm having so many issues opening this. Like it's Christmas Day. This is what the inside of the packaging looks like. Again, they have a total of 6 Disney characters. We have Ariel, we have Pocahontas, we have Cinderella, we have Princess Jasmine, one of my favorites. We have Belle, and we have Tiana from Princess and the Frog. I love every single one of these Disney princesses, and I'm really excited to now own the socks of these characters. Now, I've never done one of these like pop things, so this will be interesting to do it on film. We're gonna go ahead and get a close-up of each princess before I pop it open. Do I undo the strings? I feel so weird. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Okay, it's kind of fun, I'm not gonna lie. Open this. And let's see the big reveal. Oh, these are adorable. Stunning. I love this color of green. I'm just gonna air out the socks for you guys. I love them. How beautiful. Even the bottoms of the socks are super adorable. I love them. First pair has been a success. Let's move on to the next, which is Belle. She is definitely one of my favorites as well. I was actually Princess Belle for Halloween once. If I find the picture, I'll insert it somewhere in the video. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I wanted to say Opa, but these are the socks. These are the Belle socks. I have to open them up to see if I like the illustration, because right now she's not really giving, but we'll open up the sock and see kind of like what she's all about. In the box she looks cute, but in the sock version I'm not really feeling it, but I do like the backs. So hopefully all the other socks are giving and delivering like the first pair. So moving on. I'm excited about this one. If you guys weren't aware, I was Princess Jasmine this past Halloween, and I was living for it. I love her. She's so iconically strong and beautiful. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. That one like flung across the room. It hit the wall. These are crazy. I kind of secretly want to gift people in this way. Like, I would like for them to open their gifts with like a bang. I'm gonna open them. Ah. This is like so reminiscent of the old school 90s version of like the Disney merch with this shade of purple, which I'm living for. This illustration does look really nice. I have to open her up again to kind of see how nice it really is and give my final thoughts. These ones are really cute too. This is definitely in the number 2 spot. And a little glimpse at the back, super adorable. Oh no, walls. I know I can't sing to save my life, but we don't have to talk about that outside of YouTube. So, love these. Moving on, we have one of the originals herself, Miss Cinderella. She's not the original, but she is definitely one of the originals. I'm ready for this because I was so excited about the last like little thing that just happened, so I'm really excited to open this next one. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that one just like flinged the opposite way. I swear, I just need to find more of these on Amazon and just like do this for fun, or like if I'm having like a really bad day and I just need to like let out some anger. Anyways, I had to go and get these from that side of the room. Now, here we go. Ooh, I'm liking it already. Okay, Cinderella. I actually really enjoy this shade of blue. I love the little bow ties. That is such a cute girly touch. I love it. Not the best illustration, but the color is adorable and the backs are so cute. I'll show you guys right now. How adorable are these? If I ever wore like glass slippers, like I would wear these socks underneath. Just kidding, I would not do that. Now we are on to Miss Pocahontas. I love her. I used to like talk to this tree and call it Grandmother Willow when I was a kid because that was just weird. But I also saw her doing it. That's why I did it, and I thought I was her too. I thought I was like every Disney princess. Let me just put that out there. I actually did want to, at one point in my life, like apply to work at the Disney parks. That never happened, but like I said, Disney, if you ever need an understudy, I am here for you. I'm just gonna keep saying that until one day they finally like say yes or no. And I'm cool with whatever, but how cool would it be if like they actually ever saw this video? 3, 2, 1. Oh, that wasn't as fun. Anyways, let's see what this one has to offer. I love the color. It is so cute and vibrant. Oh my goodness, and the little feathers. I'm gonna have to open it up right now and see what this illustration is all about, but I love pink, all things pink. Now this isn't truly a pink, but it kind of matches my little like fur ball that I have going on the top of my beanie. It's just a really fun, vibrant, like fuchsia color. That's the word, fuchsia. I like it. Okay, this illustration's actually not bad. As I'm like unfolding the socks, I'll show you guys right now. It's actually kind of cute and I'm living for it. So let me know what you guys think. Definitely the first pair is hands down the best illustration as far as like the print on the socks. Here is the back of the socks. Love them. Last but definitely not least, we have Ariel, my favorite little mermaid. Let's go ahead and open her up. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, this is what the socks look like. Cute, serving. Actually, this illustration is not that bad. These ones are super cute. I really love them. These are definitely tied with Princess Jasmine. Tiana definitely has first place. Like the color, everything, she nailed it. Those are my favorite, but these ones are still super adorable. And the backs, which are really cute. Seashells, which I love. These are adorable. I love them. I actually will be rocking all of these in the very near future, probably right after this video too, because my feet are a little cold. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I love you guys so much. Until next time.